Only personal LinkedIn accounts can create company pages. It takes 2 to 5 minutes and is free. Steps: log in to your personal LinkedIn profile, mobile app, or linkedin.com. Go to Create Page, desktop, top right. For business, drop down. Create a LinkedIn page plus. Mobile app, home tab, scroll down. Create a company page. Under Advertise section, choose Page Type. Select Company for businesses or Showcase Page if linking to an existing parent page. Fill details: page name, official company name, public URL, LinkedIn, com/company/your company name. Choose a clean one. Website, industry, company size, type, e.g. public company, nonprofit. Upload logo, 300 times 300 pixels minimum, and cover image, 11 to 28 times 191 pixels recommended. Add description. Write a short about, up to 2,000 characters, with keywords. Click Create Page. Done.